Hello, how are you today? Today I'm going to talk about the vision for 2026. Have you made the vision already? If you haven't made the vision for your personal goals and your professional goals, and you can start doing that. How to do the vision board? People sometimes they don't know how to make the vision board or how to use the law of attraction, making the vision board. So there is a two different kind of vision board. One we vision through our mind as our tools, as our conscious mind, and then we make a physical vision as a on the board, like you put pictures on the board. So if you haven't done that yet, so let's start how to do your vision board. What is a vision board and why we have to do that? Let's to understand that first, according to the universal laws. So how the vision board works and what is the vision board and how we can start using it as our personal goals and professional goals. Vision board is a physical uh, pictures as your goals. So you have to have goals first. Goals means something you want, something you really desire. So I have talked about that, how to find your goals. And if you haven't watched that YouTube yet, and go and watch it or for 2026, how to find your goals. Today we're talking about the vision board, how you can make the vision board as your personal goals or professional goals. So everybody goals are different. I'm working around my business, and your goals might be maybe new house, or maybe new car, or maybe more money, maybe new business, or expand the business, or sell more products. Whatever your goals are, as your really desired goals, you have to make the vision board. Vision board is just like a board, and then you put pictures of your goals. Picture means something similar, whatever you are thinking as an achieved goal. Say, imagine you going to have a new business, and business means what the business looks like, and how you do you see your business. So example, for me, I'm helping all around the world with the universal laws. My vision going to be I'm helping on the laptop, on the computer, helping so many people as a universal laws, thinking to result. And so my vision going to be picture of as a business and on the laptop, or doing the seminars. Seminars means people are coming to your seminar and then giving a talk to them, and that 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 is my vision. Okay, so I can take that picture of that vision, and I can and put it on the board. Board means like a piece of, you can buy it or you can make your own as a board, where you can put all your pictures. Say, example, maybe you want to have a new house, and then you have to know what style the house you want outside, and you can put picture inside of the house also, and the way you want to have the house. So you can take the pictures before even achieved goals, and this is how the law of attraction works. Where's your focus is, and that's what you're going to have or achieve, or you're going to attract. So if you, whatever your goals are, personal goals, profession goals, or health goals, or whatever, so all you have to do, you have to imagine, and you have to this is what I like, and you have to take that picture and that picture put it on the vision board. So just pin it. It can be about your health, it can be about your business, it can be about your house, or can be about the money. So all you have to do, whatever your vision is, the way you would like to see achieved goals, take the picture and something you want, and then take that picture, piece of paper, and put it on the vision board. So you just pin it on the vision board, and that this is how you're going to create a vision board for 2026. And once it's finished, and how you're going to attract that, just looking at the picture every single day, like whenever you can, in the morning, in the evening, you're going to imagine, you're going to use your imagination and your will as your power and perception. Maybe your circumstances are not according to what you want, and you're going to change your perception, the way you want to see achieved goals. So when are you going to look at the vision board, you're going to start imagining you are living that goal already. And you have to start intellectually, you have to start to think like that, and then you have to emotionally, you have to feel that according to the way you wanted to feel. Say example, you going to travel all around the world. How would you like to, how would you going to feel? You're going to feel when you're traveling. Of course, everybody wants to feel good and you're enjoying the traveling, and how you're going to travel, and you can feel that emotion also, like you're traveling in the first class, and the way you wanted to travel, and where you wanted to travel, and you can to start seeing yourself in using the imagination, and putting all your focus as your will on the vision board, and you have to start living it, and that is your vision board you're going to attract. If you keep doing that every single day, law of attraction is working all the time. Universal laws are working all the time. And why I'm saying universal laws, like there is a laws in the universe world, and they are working according to all the time. So example, like universal law as a negative or positive. Most of the time we imagine negative. So now we can going to see as a vision board as a positive. Things are happening already, and I'm experiencing whatever I wanted to experience. So your focus, your attraction is all on the vision board, and you intellectually you're going to think about it, emotionally you're going to feel about it, every moment, and that's what you're attracting. You're attracting the energy, and you're attracting according to universal laws as a positive. So if you keep doing that every single day, every moment, that's what you're going to attract. Most of the time we think negative, and we are attracting things negative, and our circumstances are negative, environment is negative, and people around us negative also, because that's what we are thinking about, and that's what we keeps attracting. The law of attraction is working according to the universal laws. It just keeps working for us. So how we are visioning things, this is how we attracting everything. To change that, you have to start changing your intellect as your thoughts. You start to see the vision the way you wanted to experience. And emotionally, yes, you have to start feeling as emotionally as a feeling good about yourself, seeing your vision board. So emotion, you attract everything according to the emotions, a law of vibration. Law for attraction is a secondary law. Law of vibration is a first law. How you feel emotionally, that's what you're going to track. So whenever you're looking at your vision board, you have to feel good about that vision board. You have to start feeling really good about yourself. You are already achieved, and that's what you're going to attract. So that is your vision board for 2026. Start doing that, and because wherever your focus is, and that's what you're going to keep expanding, that's what it is going to keep growing. So the vision board is the meaning of vision board is, and then your focus is there, your emotions are there, and that's what you're going to attract. So hopefully you're going to start doing your vision board, and then you're going to look uh, at the vision board, and your focus going to be there all the time, because we think in images. Vision board is your images, the images you wanted to attract, you wanted to use the law of attraction. So this is how the law of attraction works, okay? Where your focus and your thoughts and emotions are, and that's what you're attracting. So this is the reason people they create vision board, and they look at it all the time, wherever they're sitting down or wherever they're using the more often that room, and they make a vision board and where they can see it. So hopefully you're going to create the vision board. What do you think? Have you made the vision board already? And if you haven't, you can ask questions. If you're not sure about anything around the vision board, and leave your comments. Your comments going to help me. And what do you think about the vision board? And have you used the vision board before, or you never used the vision board before? If you haven't, start doing that right now for 2026. And I think that's all for today, making the vision board. And leave your comments about the vision board. What do you think about the vision board? Is working for you, or you created already for 2026, or you have been creating the vision board for just leave your comments how long you have been using your vision board for, or if you haven't made it, or you haven't done it, never done it, and what do you think about the vision board? Leave your comments, and your comments is important. Thank you for watching the YouTube, and have a great day. If you have any questions, let me know on the message. Leave the message, and I can help you with around your uh, questions around the vision board. Thank you, and have a great day. Thank you. Bye.